Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters, where? Junction City, Oregon. Gary.Christiance coming to you live. Of course, you probably see me as the van guy. I got more vans for you today. 2019 Coachmen Crossfit and Beyond. Well, they're going to replace CrossFit with the name Beyond because somebody didn't like it. But this is what it's going to be. Same floor plan, just a different name. So this CrossFit is the dinette version. Now the front section is exactly the same as the couch. This one, of course, has got fixed twin beds that, as you can see with the tabletops here, you can slide everything together, make it a glorious queen size bed. You do have power controls back in this area, so you can do your light switches and your lights up above. It does have storage down here. You got storage down here you can access. It's also from the rear, which we'll go over when we get outside. Nice storage down below here. Another storage compartment in here. Privacy screen, which we'll show you when we get to the back. It's got nice screens for your bugs and also a privacy screen as well. They go up and down. The windows are finished off very well. They have an exterior RV marine grade vinyl in here that they've put it in, which is just phenomenal. Here's your privacy part, and they just slide down. You can meet them, leave them hooked up, or do them individually. Electrical outlet, USB ports, 12-volt outlet, 110, and your circuit breakers are down here. Propane detector. You have a shelf unit, or it's a closet. You just take out the shelves, do your hanging space here. Moving down into the galley, of course, it's got full storage all the way on the door side as well as the driver's side. You have a recessed sink, which is nice because when you're not using it, it's good for a workstation. Induction cooking, saves space because you got a nice work area here. You need to get a magnetized pot, and this turns on really quick and heats up, and when you remove it, it shuts down and gets cold very fast. Not instantaneous, but very quick. Always wondered where you put a garbage can in a van. Well, you got a nice spot here and great storage on that side. Little tray here. Notice all solid wood. Positive latches. Compressor style refrigerator. 110 and 12 volts. Very efficient. They move the freezer down on the bottom, so most of the time when you're getting into the refrigerator, it's up higher. You don't have to stand on your nose. Microwave with your vent. Fantastic fan. You got a little magazine rack here for some additional storage. Bathroom. Very nice spacious bathroom. Soap dispenser, shampoo, etc. It's already built in. You just fill them up and push the button. Combination shower head and faucet. Very few seams in this. If you look in the corners, there's very few seams. There's one right back here. Other than that, you're going to have very low maintenance on this unit. You've got storage up on top over the driver, and also storage right in this area here, just above the cab. And you're going to have to come back inside to take a look at this control panel so I can show it to you. So we're on the home page now. We go in here. You've got your mobile app control, so you can have your mobile app and be able to operate everything. There's your temperature, all the lights. So this has got an auto start and a generator, how often you want to start it, how long it can run. It's a great feature if you want to keep this cooled down. You can preset this. It's very easy to use. Disconnects here, solar, Wi-Fi Ranger, true Macombi system, so the furnace and the hot water are all in there. And here's your Xanadex inverter. It's got a nice screen and a grab handle to come out on the very wide running board to make it easy to get in and out. Come on out here and we'll just buzz around the outside real quick. Comes with a nice electric awning. That way nobody has to look around to who's going to go put it away when the wind comes up. You just push the button and it retracts in. Here's your exhaust and intake for your true Macombi. It's not hot, it won't get burned. It's very nice and it's very quiet. Got your wiring, your hitch. There's your where you put your sewer hose. Echo boost. This bad boy will take you up the hill with a load, 5,000 pounds, and you won't have anybody going past you unless you want them to. You've got that much power. 1-ton chassis, got dual tires, great carry capacity, great towing capacity. And here's the storage that you have down below from the rear. Yeah, I know you're already figuring out where your fishing poles go. There's your bug screen, got a little storage up on top. Gen exhaust, water, black tack flushes here, and then your cable hookup. You got to remember when you light this one up with your hose, you better make sure that black valve's open, or it'll fill the tank, fill your toilet, and then fill your shower stall. 110 hookups here. Propane fills down there. Outside shower. Hookups here. Sewer outlet down below. It takes regular fuel. You don't have to use the premium, just regular gas. I know you must have a question or two. Just go direct, call the van guy at 541-554-9581, or check me out on Facebook, the van guy. Appreciate your time.